Hello, Tech Bros, new product in from OpenRock, and OpenRock is part of the One Audio brand, and we've done loads of their stuff here before. This is our newest product, the openrockx Open Air Conduction Sport Earbuds. So you have a picture on the box there, nice graphic, and the box is a nice shape there too, as you can see, and the picture is actually raised off the box. So you've got customized 14.2mm drivers, 4 mics with AI algorithm for clear calls, professional sound, effective for sports, IPX5 waterproof, multi-point connection and Bluetooth 5.3, and of course eco packaging and up to 48 hours of playtime. Let's get it open and see what it's all about. Right, so we've got this strip on the bottom here. Box slides out like so, and you're presented with this. So you've got this clip up top. This slides out here, so have a look at that now. And there is the earbuds, and that's it there. Nicely presented, I have to say. So let's see what we get in here first of all, before we move on. And you get a load of booklets, and you get this nice braided cable, which is nice to see. USB-A, USB-C. And you get your booklets in here, which don't want to come out by the looks of it. Eventually come out, and you've got your quick start guide, and you've got your warnings and cautions. So that's it there. It's your quick start guide, and we'll just get it open up. So you can see all the stuff there, your controls, and you've got an app this time around, which is excellent, very good. Nice to see an app present. Let's have a look at the main product. And we get this nice case as well for the come in, which is really cool. Got this strap up top, push open here, and you've got left and right. Very cool, well designed box, but OpenRock on it there, and this is what they look like here. Now there's obviously some tags inside which I'll take out, and that's 1 and 2. That's all I'm taking out, and that's what they look like up close there. You've got some metal accents, OpenRock written on the side, and a button on this one. And you can see the mics and the pins on the back. You've got a button on that one as well, the same design. So this is going to move up and down, and that's pretty much it. And there's a bit of movement there to the left and right as well, and that's basically how it looks there. So we're going to take them off, set them up, get the app going, and come back to you then and tell you what we think. But so far, very good presentation, look really nice and professional and premium as well, and this case is really cool. Slides in like that, push it out to open, as you can see, left and right, and you've got a LED light up front there. So well done. So after the break, we'll be back after testing them out for a while, and we'll let you know what happens and show you what there is that you need to know. We'll talk to you then. Hello, Tech Bros, we're back with the openrockx. We've been testing these out now for a bit, and we're going to have a chat about them. Now overall, I'm pretty impressed with these. They have a nice app this time around, and they sound really good. They're actually coming close to headphones, earbuds kind of quality, believe it or not. So they're open ear air conduction, sport earbuds, not bone conduction. So don't get mixed up between the two. There's a difference, and I'm finding out the air is pretty good. So again, the design is nice. You've got movement laterally here like this, and of course they'll twist this way as well. And they fit really well in the ears. Now I've been testing them at like 1 at a time as well, and 2 at a time, so you can use them 1 at a time if you want to do so. And they're really good, and you can hear what's going on around you as well. And there's no ANC obviously on these, but it's nice to hear your surroundings. But once both are on, turned up, you're pretty much cool, good to go without hearing much going on around you. Particularly indoors, but not so much outdoors, which is kind of fine, because people that will be using these will be sports people out jogging, running, or going to the gym, stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. So they got 14.2mm drivers. They deliver on sound, really good highs, lows and mids, no tinny sound, no distortion, anything like that whatsoever. There is a small bit of leakage obviously because they're sitting outside your ear, which you'll hear in a minute, But other than that, the sound is excellent, really good, nothing to complain about whatsoever at all, particularly for open air conduction. And you've got LISO 2.0 algorithm built in as well, which is their proprietary software for adaptive dynamic technology. So yeah, pretty good stuff there. Your 4 mics, calls are pretty good, no problems there either. And you've got Bluetooth 5.3, so you can compare to 2 devices at once, which is nice. So if your laptop and phone like me, ideal, good to go. And you've got hearing protection as well with the app, so we're going to show you all that on the app as well, which is pretty cool. And that's really about it. You've got decent battery life out up to 40 hours, 8 hours with the case, and you've got 5 minutes of charge will give you an hour with fast charging, which is also pretty cool, and IPX5 sweat and water resistance as well. So overall, pretty cool, really nice to wear, comfortable, excellent sound, really impressed with the sound on these. And again, the presentation in general has just been good this time around from OpenRock. So let's have a look at the app. So it says gestures here, but it's not gestures. You're going to be using the button underneath, this small button here, which we'll demo now in a second. So you go up here, you can see here that I've been obviously using and I've charged or been switching around, and I've been using one at a time to see how it works. But this actually effectively doubles your battery life. I've kind of tended to use these mostly one at a time over the last while, testing them out, but obviously you have used them with both on, and that's when you get the real immersive experience. So with the app, you've got your boom, custom, rock mode, relax mode, so you can customize your own mode in there if you want to. You've got your max volume limiter, which, why would you bother? I like to have it all turned up to the max. So you've got over time wear reminder, you can set up to 4 hours, up to never. And in here is your gestures. So you've got your left and right, so you can see what you've got here. You've got your volume up and down, your mic, your voice assistant, and you've got single press, double press, and triple press. Over to the right, same kind of idea. You'll just have to set whichever suits you best. Spatial sound is here. Turn that off and it's crap, turn it on and it's great. And that's pretty much it there in short. Your sound balance, obviously keep it in the middle. And you've got your auto power off there. You can set as well up to 60 minutes or an hour. So if you just drop them down and fall asleep. In here you've got your voice prompts, English, and your maximum, your volumes. So again, most of the way up there. Find My Buds is pretty much Find Me Buds. That's how that works. And so just in case you happen to miss them. And of course you've got your firmware version in there. And that's really about it in the app. And you got switch the voice, disconnect the voice, remove the voice, product manual, product help, and feedback as well, if you want to get all that stuff in. So let's go on to some music and just show you a quick demo of the buttons in action. Now I thought now when I said gesture on that, you'd give a little gesture here, but now it's done on the little button here, which is no big deal. So you play and pause like so. Long press then is volume down, which I have them set at. So you just long press it there. Play and pause. You've got your skip track, and that's a double tap, and reverse track is a triple tap. And that's basically how they work, and the buttons work really well. Never a problem with the buttons on these, and they've worked fine over my couple of days testing them out, and overall pretty impressed. So overall pretty impressed with these. Really good sound for open air conduction earbuds. You know, still a lot of people have not adopted onto these. I've been testing these out for ages now. I've done about 20 different kinds of pairs of them, and these are probably the best I've tried so far. Up there at the top, if not the best today. Really good, really nice. And again, their app this time. This is their first time to see the app, and the app is pretty good and it works well. There is a notable difference in between the different EQs, and of course you can do your EQs here. You can drag them up and down, save them, whatever the case is. It's up to yourself. And I'd find the boom mode pretty good, and then your customized mode, which is whatever you customize it to your own needs. So that's pretty much it. It's a simple interface on the app as well. It's simple to use, not complicated or anything like that, and it looks nice. It's a well done job and pretty impressive all around. So overall, for the OpenRockx, pretty impressive, Really nice case as well, and they're going to be really secure once they're popped in there. It's a clicking mechanism there, so nothing's going to pop out. You've got your LED here. You can charge it here if it's open or closed. It's up to you. You've got your button here for reset and pairing. And that's really it for the OpenRockx X from One Audio. Pretty cool. Check them out. We'll leave a link below to where you can pick them up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for more, because we have lots of tech in at the minute. See you in the next one.